So now we will discuss your example 21. Okay, example 21 before your exercise 2.3 is present age of Amita and Rakesh. There are two persons whose name are Amita and Rakesh. Present age of Amita and Rakesh are in the ratio 2:3. It means ratio of the present ages of Amita and Rakesh is given to be 2:3. 4 years from now, it means 4 years from now means present. 4 years from present, it means after 4 years, the ratio of their ages, the ratio of the ages of Amita and Rakesh will be represent the future. It means 4 years from now means you have to see the 4 years after present. Okay, and the ratio is 6:7. Now find their present age. First of all, you will see what thing you have to find. What thing do you have to find? You have to find the present age. Okay, this is what you have to require. Now what is given? Given is their ratio, and 4 years from now their ratio is given. So first of all, I told you that whenever there is a question that includes ratio, first of all I will take the common ratio. So let common ratio is equal to x. If my common ratio is x, then age of Amita will be, ratio is given to be 2:3. So it means your age of Amita will be 2x years. Very good. And the age of Rakesh will be now, the ratio is given to be 3 for Rakesh. So it will be 3x years. This is the present age. Okay, this is the present age of Amita and present age of Rakesh. Present age of Amita is 2x years. Present age of Rakesh is 3x years. Now we are done up to this. Okay, now move 4 years from now. 4 years from now means after 4 years. After 4 years means the 4 will be added to present age. So according to the question, 4 years from now means the 4 will be added to their present ages. So 4 will be added in 2x, and similarly 4 will be added in 3x. So it will become 2x plus 4. Okay, and it will become 3x plus 4. And see, 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages, and their ages are these, the ratio. This is the representation of ratio. So ratio of after 4 years, the age of Amita will be 2x plus 4, and the age of Rakesh after 4 years will be 3x plus 4. And this whole ratio is given to be how much? 6:7. Okay, I'm explaining again. First of all, I am taking the common ratio as x. Now the present age will be, according to this ratio, present age will be Amita of 2x and Rakesh is of 3x. Now 4 years from now means after 4 years. After 4 years means I have to add 4. So 2x plus 4 and 3x plus 4. And the ratio of these ages is equal to be given. How much? 6:7. I am just equating this. Now I have to solve this expression. I have to solve this equation. How I will solve? I am rubbing and see. In this equation, I can write this equation as 2x plus 4 divided by 3x plus 4 is equal to 6:7 can be represented as 6 by 7. Very good. Okay. Now see, you have to solve this equation. How will you solve? I told you, cross multiplication method. Very good. So apply cross multiplication method. So 7 will be multiplied by 2x plus 4 is equal to 6, 3x plus 4. Okay. Now it will give you 7 2s are 14x plus 7 4s are 28 is equal to 6 3s are 18x plus 6 4s are 24. Okay. Now I am just writing 28 and I am taking this 24 to this side and this will become now minus sign. Minus 24 is equal to 18x as it is, and now I am taking this to 14x to that side, and here 14x is of positive sign, it will become negative to that side. Okay. And finally it will give you 28 minus 24 is 4 is equal to 18x minus 14x is 4x. Very good. And your value of x will be now 4, and this 4 will come in division. Cancel. So this is the value of x only. X is equal to 1. But the question was, you have to find the present age of Amita and Rakesh. So what was your present age? Did you remember? Yes. The present age of Amita is equal to 2x years. So 2x means 2 multiply x. X is 1. So 2 multiply 1 is 2. So 2 years. Okay. And present age of Rakesh, it is 3x. 3x means 3 multiply 1. It will give you 3. Very good. 3 years. So this is your answer, that present age of Amita is 2 years and present age of Rakesh is 3 years. Now, will you verify your answers? Yes, you will verify because you all are my good students. So how will you verify? You will put the values of x in the equation that you have formed. The equation was 2x plus 4 upon 3x plus 4 is equal to 6 by 7. This was your equation. Put x is equal to 1. 2 multiply 1 plus 4 is equal to 3 multiply 1 plus 4. 2 multiply 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 multiply 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7 is equal to 6 by 7 is your right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. It means your solution is verified. So that is the method to solve the word problems that include the ages of person.